Meet Mr. Taylor, running a fashion house. From the last few months, he was planning to opt for online marketing. He was looking for highly functional websites that can help him to take his business to a new height. It not only promotes his brand image but also attracts more target customers. So, he immediately started searching the best web designing company near him. Scrolling down the internet, he found Zebra Techie's solution. Visiting to their website, he got to know that it is a leading website design company in India, famous for offering the most dependable and result-oriented websites at affordable prices. They always try to create innovatively designed websites that can embody your business/brand and target potential customers. The impeccable website designs helps to improve the conversion rates and maximizes the business revenues. Their team of best web design developers always strive to deliver a friendly website. So, why wait? Contact them now at +91 9,432,929,492. If you have any further query, browse through https://zebratakeys.com/.